I think the biggest thing that I have learned is to just love people where they're at. And that's so important. Like, accept them for who they are. None of us are perfect. We all want to be forgiven for the things that we've done, so we have to be forgiving with our friends and our family. Sometimes it's family members that are struggling, and you have to tell people. You have to be upfront and forward with people, and make them aware of their behaviors. First of all, the problem is it's really up to them if they want to change it. But I definitely think you need to, maybe depending on how bad it is, you might want to get other people involved too, other friends, other family members, to come alongside each other. If people know that you love and care about them, and you're doing it out of the goodness in your heart because you want to see them get better, they don't take it so personally. Because a lot of times I have friends that take it personally, and they say that I think that I'm better than them or something, and that's not what it is. It's just because I care. So it's important to let them know that you're doing it for the right reason. The biggest one for me, I think, is honesty. Like, it was something that I struggled with for a long time. It was probably one of the first behaviors I can think about, and it's natural. Kids are gonna lie no matter what. I mean, all kids do it, but as you get older, it's not okay anymore, and it really affects relationships. It affects your life, because then the lies pile on top of each other, and it makes a mess. This generation, it's tough. Feeling like they have to fit in all the time, or always having to prove themselves to be a part of something. It's just so important to be who you are, and to embrace that and be confident in who you are, and to love yourself. Like, you can't love anybody else or have any type of other healthy relationship until you love yourself and have an honest, healthy relationship with yourself first. And I think people in this day and age, we are the most technology connected as we've ever been, but yet we're so personally disconnected within each other, and it causes we're designed for relationship. We're designed for people relationship, and it's important to not lose that, and to be confident in who you are, and be aware of other people and how you make other people feel too, because you don't realize, but sometimes the things we say and the way we treat each other causes people harm, and it causes people to go out and to look to other ways to deal with these being treated like that. And it's just, I think, at the end of the day, like, if we all just loved each other a little bit more, this world would just be so much of a better place.